Okay, so this tutorial is on alien sounds. A lot of students have asked for some help on that, so you can watch this video and see how to complete the puzzle. Again, this is called Alien Sounds, and you're asked to create a unique space-themed project with characters and sounds. And once again, there's a tutorial with 7 pages. You want to read everything that's on these pages and then follow those directions. In the middle is the coding area where the blocks will be pulled out. And this screen here is your preview screen. You can make it bigger like this. You can also make it smaller. And down here we have the stage. So right now this matches up here. So the stage is where the blocks that get pulled out here right now will be on the stage. Or also, you could click on some of your characters. We have an alien creature character. You would want to click on that if you wanted to program the alien creature. You have the planet Earth. That's a character. You would want to click on that in order to program that. And we have the spaceship character. So each time I click on one of these characters, it changes the workspace. Okay, so let's get started. In this project, you will switch between backgrounds, add characters and sound effects, and animate a spaceship. So change the background. Program the stage. So we want to make sure we're on the stage, which we are. So program the stage to change a new background when you click it. First, drag this block to the coding area. This event will run code whenever you click its actor. This time, the actor is the entire stage. So the block is when actor is clicked. 2, add this command under the when actor clicked block. This block will change the background. Your code should look like this. And you can see it does in fact match. Now add some music to the project. Use the on start block so the background music starts as soon as the program begins. So we still want to be on the stage for this. So we click on start. Use a forever loop to play the music the whole time the program runs. 3. Put the play sound until done code block in the forever loop to play the background music. And plug that right inside there. Click the text area and select Add Sound. This is the text area. Add Sound. And then this pops open. It gives us all the different types of music that is possible. I'm going to close this for a minute because I think I need to read on a little bit. And it says, on start, forever, play sound hot pursuit music. Okay, so this is the sound we want to add. And it's right here on top. Next, play your project to test it. It should play music when it starts running, and the background should change when you click it. Try it out. Well, I hear sound. And when I click the background, it changes. So that worked. Moving on. Customize the characters. Add some personality to your project. Click on an actor, choose either the alien or the Earth. Program the actor to play a sound and change costumes when you click it. So you can see here we're already on alien creature. So when the actor is clicked, it will move to the next costume and let's see, click on the white area of the play sound block to choose a sound. You can choose any sound you like. So here you have some choice. So it gives me the choice punch, hot pursuit music, or add sound. So now I can sample these. I guess we'll go with victory music. And let's see. They want us to have punch. I'll stick with this. You guys can pick your own. And let's go to next. Now I'm going to animate the spaceship. I'm going to go back for a minute. I need to reread. Click on an actor. Choose either the alien or the Earth. So that means we're just choosing one. So I just wanted to clarify that. Okay, so now I'm going to animate the spaceship. Animate the spaceship so it looks like its rocket trail keeps moving. Switching between the spaceship's costumes will create the illusion of motion. So I'm just checking I am on spaceship. I'll pull out the on start, the forever, next costume, and we do need to wait a brief amount of time, otherwise we wouldn't even see it happening. And our code looks correct. And you can change this 0.1 seconds if you want it to be longer or shorter, or faster or slower. Let's try it out. Looks good. And you know what? Now that I know what I'm doing, I'm going to come down here and click on the Earth. And I am going to add some of that code. So if I'm not sure what to do, I'm going to go back to Alien Creature. And it's the when actor clicked, next costume, play sound. So I can actually do this too. Go back to customizing the actors. And now I'm going to click on the Earth, and those blocks are still here on the left. So when actor clicked, next costume, play sound, and let's see, what would I like the Earth to play? And I have all these different categories. Let's go to the green Earth. Green Earth doesn't have any sounds. Game elements. I'll go with that one. Now let's see what happens when I play my game. Looks good. Hope you guys are able to complete these tasks now with these videos. Good luck.